When you need to get in touch, use the Ben 10 Plumber's communicator with twist action technology and call out Grandpa Max.
Hello, Ben. There's renewed alien activity on Earth. I'm investigating. Max out.
Now grab the amazing Ben 10 laser lance with level 5 light and sound technology. Pop the line-up gun sight, then blast your way out of trouble. The incredible Ben 10 light and sound laser lance and Ben 10 Plumber communicator, only from Bandai.
Max out.